Hello everyone, hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Now our today's video is going to be very important for all the freshers as well as working professionals out there. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Now before moving forward, I have a small question for all you guys. Make sure that you answer in the comment section. Okay. So the question is that what is the most important thing for any company to survive and sustain? If your answer is sales, then yes, you are right. That is absolutely correct answer. Sales is the most important thing. It is of paramount importance in any company's or any business's success. Okay. The reason is that if you are not able to sell or pitch your product to the customer or the end user, then what is the point of building a product or a service? Okay, because in order to run your business or a company in profit, you need to produce good sales, okay, good amount of sales, and you need to get a good profits. So that is the reason why sales is of paramount importance in any of the company. Okay. Now you might ask me that how big is the sales profession? Now in order to answer this question, I have a few statistics with me. The first point is that there are more than 85,000 sales jobs vacancies on LinkedIn as of today. And when we look at the opportunities on other platforms such as Naukri.com, Monster.com, Indeed.com, you will be finding that for the graduates, the count is in lakhs. But here is a twist. 55% of the people making their living in the sales don't have the right skills to succeed. And this is a matter to worry, guys. Now hear me out guys, because this is again very interesting, because it is obvious that the world of sales is constantly evolving. But it is also apparent that the sales industry is noticeably different when compared to what it looked like just 5 or 10 years back. Now that is the reason when we look at the figures that a sales executive earns. So 60% of his income comes from incentives, commissions and variable pay. That is the reason why they earn a lot of amount of money. Okay. Along with that, talking about how to earn those incentives, it all starts with you possessing the sales and negotiation skills. Now, do you want to kickstart your career in sales and change the game forever? All you have to do is to learn the skills, practice them live and launch your sales career. Now, you can learn from the top sales leaders and get hired by India's top companies. FunctionUp will coach you, help you to land a job and mentor you to success in a sales or customer success career. Now you can discover a new era of sales training with FunctionUp. So that is the reason why FunctionUp has came up with this. Now, one of the best things that I find about this cohort is the mentors. Okay, here you can see that they are from top companies such as Scalar, Dineout, FunctionUp, Verzio. You can find that they are ex-senior manager hiring partnerships at Scalar. Then you have Anup, who is ex-city lead at Zomato and currently working as cluster manager at Dineout. Then you have the co-founder and the CEO of FunctionUp himself, Bharat Gupta. Then you have Rakshit, who is a sales trainer at Verzio. So all these mentors are from top companies and they will be training you for all these things. Now let us quickly discuss why you should be joining FunctionUp sales cohort. So here are few of the reasons. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is that you have to pay zero upfront fees. That is, you don't have to pay anything unless and until you get a job. Okay, you only have to pay once you get a job. The second point is that you will be assigned Capstone Projects, and this is totally outcome based learning process. Okay guys, so this is again one good thing by FunctionUp. The next point is that there are small batches and you will be getting 1:1 mentorship. So this is again very important. You can interact with the mentors and everyone in 1:1 sessions. Then you have lifetime mentorship and top alumni network. This is again very important because if you are working at different companies, you will be getting an alumni network of all the people from FunctionUp. So they are working at top companies. You can get referrals and everything like that as well. The next point is you will be getting live learning from industry experts who are already working in their current industries, okay, the sales industry or the business development or any other industry, and you will be getting masterclasses and guest lectures as well. And the last but not the least, this is the most again important point, that is manageable for working professionals. Now a lot of people have this doubt that suppose freshers have a lot of time, right? But what about the people who are already working professionals? Okay, so for them also this is a manageable time and you will be getting and learning a lot in this extra free time that you have. Okay, so this is again very important. That is the features given by FunctionUp. Now, the most important part for this sales cohort is the course curriculum, right? So here you can see that there are 4 weeks planned, which is in which you will be learning about fundamentals of sales. Then you will be learning about MS Office. That is the most important thing. If you're working in any kind of management role, you should be knowing all the basics to intermediate level of Microsoft Office. Then they will also teach you and introduce you to the CRM, that is customer relationship management softwares. Okay. Then you have business communications and aptitude, which is required for getting placed in different companies. Okay, top companies. Then in the second week, you will be learning about introduction to sales. This is again very important, B2B and B2C type of sales. Okay. Then customer profiling, user segmentation, need generation and rapport building, customer need assessment, how to develop an impactful sales pitch, how to learn the art of probing. So all these things. Okay. In the third week, you'll be learning about offers and discounts and negotiations, how you can do that, how to become a follow-up ninja, how you can follow up with the customers or clients. Then you will be learning about how to create a solid pipeline for your entire process. Then you will be learning about customer engagement techniques, object handling, and closings. So at the end of the week, the last week, you will be learn about lead management and prioritization. This is again very important if you're working in sales. Then you will be learning introduction to different industries such as and the sales practices such as FMCG, BFSI. You have edutech, e-commerce, and etc. Then you will be learning about sales operations and funneling reports, like basic of that. And then you will be learning the most important thing that is the mock calls and mock interviews. So this is again very important point that you should be considering. Okay, guys, the course curriculum of this FunctionUp sales bootcamp is really good, and I feel that if you are new to this or you are already working in the sales domain, then you should definitely go through this. Now, this is one of the most asked question, that who is eligible for this cohort, okay, sales cohort. So in that case, we have an answer for all you guys. Now, we received a lot of questions in the comment section as well, that we are from non-technical background and we are looking for job in IT, but we are not interested in coding and something like that. So should we go for a sales profile job or something like that? Or if we want to go into management profiles, that is sales job or business development profiles, so how we can do that? Because we don't have any experience in that field, but we are interested in that. So this cohort is definitely for you guys. Okay, guys. So what you have to do is, the eligibility criteria for this cohort is very easy. That is, freshers and working professionals can apply for this cohort. And if you are someone who has an intent to build a successful career in sales, then also you can apply for this cohort. Okay, guys. Now, all the freshers can apply for this, and this is final. Okay, guys. So don't worry, just go and apply for this cohort. Okay. Now let us discuss about the fee structure, because a lot of people might have this kind of doubt, what exactly is the income sharing agreement and what exactly fees we have to pay for this cohort, okay, this fantastic cohort. So here you have 13% of your monthly salary for 36 months, okay guys. So with the maximum cap of rupees 98,000, okay, in the case of zero upfront fees. So when you start this cohort, you don't have to pay a single rupee, okay, and after you complete this cohort and you get a job, okay, then only you will have to pay 13% of your monthly salary, only for 36 months. Okay guys, so here again there are some important points, that is, fees are applied only on the cash component part of your CTC, okay, and then fees will stop in case you lose a job. So a lot of people have this doubt that if I get a job after this cohort, and if I fail to join, or if I don't join, or if they terminate me, what will happen in that case? So you don't have to pay anything unless and until you get a new job. Okay, so here again I will repeat this part, that is, fees will stop in case you lose a job and will resume once you start earning again. Okay, so this is again one fantastic point. Okay, the next point is, you will get 25% off if you plan to pay the entire amount in one go after you start earning. Okay guys, so this is again one more important point, you can save a lot, that is 25%. Now the maximum cap means no student will be paying us more than 98,000 rupees. So here you have a guarantee that you don't have to pay more than 98,000 rupees. Okay guys, so this is the basic fee structure. You just have to pay for 36 months 13% of your salary. Okay, maximum amount is 98,000 rupees only. Okay, so this is the fee structure. If you have any more doubts, you can scroll below, and here you can go for the FAQs, that is frequently asked questions. Here you have FAQs related to fees and ISA, what exactly is income sharing agreement. You have admission FAQs and general queries as well. If you have any doubts guys, you can go over here and you can simply mail them, okay, the FunctionUp team over here, that is admissions@functionup.org. Okay guys, so the next point that we will be discussing is, what is the application process. Okay, so application process is very simple. You just have to click on apply now. You just have to register with your correct details, okay, your mobile number, your name and everything. Then you will be receiving the assignment, okay, which you need to complete. Okay, and you need to submit after your registration this assignment. Okay, after qualifying for the assessment round, you will appear for the interview round. Okay, so after this interview, you will be onboarded once you qualify for the interview round. Okay, you guys just need some little bit of dedication and motivation, and definitely will get a job after completing this cohort. Okay, for the sales field. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and apply for this cohort in the field of sales and get a high paying job. I will give all the links in the description box. You can go and click on the link and apply for this fantastic cohort program. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.